Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wandari, and today I want to explain you about the thesis statement subject with identity in students' writing. Before we discuss about that, we must know about the thesis. What do you know about the thesis? Thesis is a written scientific work that is individually compiled based on the result of empirical research to be used as material for academic studies. And under that, thesis also is a form of scientific writing that is used as a student's final project in the form of a writing document which uses scientific methods to refer from obtaining certain degrees in higher education. And in here, thesis have some characteristics. The first is the initial part consists of an introduction, the main part of discussion, and the closing section which contains the conclusion. Second is the systematic and visually focused on one of the main issues of an educational discipline. The third is compiled based on empirical testing of a particular theory. And the fourth is using good and correct grammar. Because in research study, we must know using good and correct grammar. From the kinds of thesis also have systematic of the thesis. Number 1 is title, number 2 validity sheet, number 3 abstract, number 4 forward, number 5 table of content, number 6 chapter 1, number 7 chapter 2, number 8 chapter 3, number 9 chapter 4, number 10 chapter 5. And the last is references. Okay, the first title, it's mean the title of the research contains a statement that specifically reflects the content of the research to be carried out or reflect the concept or relationship between the concept of the symptoms or phenomena being studied. Number 2 is validity sheet. It's mean the site of approval from the supervising commission or promoter stating that the thesis or dissertation is eligible for testing. Number 3 is abstract. Abstract, it means reflects the entire content of the thesis or dissertation by revealing the essential of the research problem, the approach used on the framework, research methods, research findings, and conclusion. The description are written in English and Indonesian. It's not more than 500 words. Number 4 is forward. Forward, it's mean this section set out the main issues under study. Apart from these issues can also be stated such as difficulties while doing research and dissertation writing, as well as expression of gratitude to various parties for carrying out research and writing a thesis or dissertation. Number 5 is table of contents. It means the composition of the thesis or dissertation content is in accordance with the order or systematic of the thesis or dissertation writing. The ones that enter table of contents are only the header's order. Table of contents. Number 6 is chapter 1. In introduction, the first is research background. Second is formulation of problem. Third is research purpose. Fourth is the benefit of research. Number 7 is chapter 2. Any literature review, thinking framework, and hypothesis. Okay, you can see in this video about the description. Number 8 is chapter 3. Any methodology. Describe the paradigm or approach or method used in research. The description includes but is not limited to the following. The first is description of the selected research design. Second, procedure for sampling or selecting samples and determining the unit of analysis. Number 3 is sources and data collections, techniques, and research instrument. Number 4, Processing and data analysis include or testing the validity of the data in accordance with the proposed research design. Number 5, location and time of study. Okay, that's from chapter 3 is methodology. Number 9 is chapter 4, any result and discussion. This chapter presents the result of the research and discussion. In presenting the result and discussion, the description can be precise or description of the location, setting, object of research that is relevant to the research problem. Number 10 is chapter 5, that's conclusion and suggestion. In conclusion, this subchapter states research finding based on the result of research and discussion. In suggestion, this section provides theoretical suggestion about what needs to be further investigated for the development of skills from the studied field, as well as practical suggestion related to the disclosure of the application of related skills. And the last is the purpose of thesis. Alright, in here, thesis have purpose in research education. The purpose of a thesis scientific paper is to easily explain the domain of knowledge comprehensively, formulate hypotheses or conjectures based on theories and generate answers to those hypotheses. Okay, that's an explanation from the material today. Thank you. It will be useful for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.